Guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Fiji, and today we're gonna do taco night. All right, here I got some cilantro, Banh tomatoes, onion, taco shells, 2 Scotch bonnet peppers because I couldn't find any jalapeno. Taco seasoning, some lettuce, ground beef, some cherry tomatoes, and some cheese. Okay. All the ingredients to do the salsa. The white onions I diced up and I soaked it in cold water. The reason being is when you do that, you soak the onions in cold water. It gets rid of the harshness of the onion. Okay, it won't be that strong when you eat it with the salsa. I got some cilantro that I chopped up, some tomatoes I chopped up. I don't have any jalapenos right now, so I use habaneros instead, so it's way stronger. I got some lime and salt, okay? That's all you need for a salsa, okay? Some garlic, okay? Garlic, get it nice and golden brown a little bit. Throw the beef in there. Add a little bit of salt. You don't want to add too much because you're going to be adding taco seasoning, right? Taco seasoning is pretty salty, so don't add too much salt, guys. Okay, so now it's just about cooked. We add our taco seasoning. 1 package, okay? That smells good already. Alright guys, let's assemble the salsa. To this bowl here, I'm gonna add some habanero. Add some habanero. Add all my tomatoes. Okay. Get all the tomatoes in this. Make sure you don't touch your eyes after you made this salsa because it's very spicy touching those habaneros. You know what? I'm just gonna add all the habaneros in there. Add everything. Okay, add all some cilantro. Okay, some cilantro in there, and then get your onions and soaking. Okay, piece of lime in there. It's not gonna be enough lime, I know that for a fact, but we're just gonna salt it up a little bit. Okay, give it a next mix. Look how fresh that looks. Fresh salsa, man. What more do you want? Okay. That's for sure not enough lime already. Okay, I'm gonna add another lime into it, and we'll get ready to assemble this dish. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is the end here. I got the chopped lettuce, the Doritos ranch shells tacos. Okay. Some cherry tomatoes, some cheese, lean ground beef, my homemade pico de gallo, some guac, sour cream, and this is it right here. It's my taco, guys. Look. Damn, son. All right. Shit's juicy.